Speed meets style, power you feel, design you crave. The Yamaha YZF-R1 2025 greets you with a front stance that screams aggression and aerodynamic supremacy. Its sharp, wind-slicing nose is built not just for aesthetics, but for elite-level performance. From the track to the streets, this front profile embodies power and precision. With refined air intakes and a widened stance, it looks ready to take off. The updated fairing adds a new layer of sophistication to its sport DNA. Even standing still, it looks like it's moving at 200 miles per hour. And that iconic Yamaha logo, planted right where the thrill begins. Piercing through darkness with surgical focus, the YZF-R1's new LED projector headlights are as sleek as they are savage. The lights are perfectly embedded into the fairing, giving it a futuristic robotic gaze. They offer better visibility, adaptive intensity, and razor-sharp beams for high-speed night rides. What really sells a look is the symmetry. They're not just lights, they're a signature. This dual-eyed stare-down makes every ride feel like a countdown to ignition. Yamaha made sure you're not just seen, you're remembered. Head on, this beast looks alive. Too bold to blink, too fast to catch. This ride's just getting started. At the rear, the taillights strike a perfect contrast between minimalism and menace. The slim, aggressive LED strip cuts across the tail like a blade of light. Its glow not only enhances visibility, but adds a cinematic effect to every deceleration. The turn signals blend seamlessly without disturbing the clean rear silhouette. It's subtle during the day and absolutely hypnotic at night. Built for both beauty and function, this taillight says, "See you later with style." Every detail, a closing statement to a powerful chapter on wheels. The exhaust system on the 2025 YZF-R1 is sculpted like a weapon of speed. Compact, blacked out, and acoustically tuned, it's music to the ears of speed lovers. Yamaha's titanium muffler emits a deep, thunderous roar that gets heads turning before you even appear. It's tucked neatly under the fairing, emphasizing the bike's clean lines and mass-centralized frame. Rev it once, and you'll feel the sonic boom through your core. More than just performance, it's an experience in every decibel. This exhaust doesn't whisper speed, it screams it. From behind, the Yamaha YZF-R1 2025 looks like it's already in the lead. The aggressive taper of the tail section and the bold tire presence make for an intimidating view. The indicators are almost hidden, preserving that streamlined racing DNA. The aerodynamic edges are clearly visible, especially under LED glow, hinting at its MotoGP lineage. Every inch is refined for minimal drag and maximum flex. The rear is lean, clean, and full of mean, pure track poetry from behind. It's the kind of view rivals see all race long. Racing soul, street-ready attitude. You don't want to miss the next reveal. The YZF-R1 rolls on lightweight, high-grip 17-inch wheels that mean serious business. Crafted with Yamaha's precision, these alloys are designed for stability at mind-bending speeds. The intricate spoke pattern and matte black finish radiate stealth and strength. Wrapped in Bridgestone Batlax tires, the grip feels glued to the tarmac in every turn. Whether on straight stretches or sharp corners, control is unmatched. The braking setup is equally brutal, with dual 320mm discs up front. These wheels don't just roll, they dominate the road with fury. A profile shot of the YZF-R1 2025 reveals its MotoGP-inspired frame and sleek fairings. From head to tail, it's a study in balance, power, and precision. The aluminum Delta Box chassis and sculpted tank merge seamlessly into the sharp tail. It's low, lean, and looks like it's slicing through the air even when parked. The branding is bold yet tasteful, just enough to remind you of the legend it is. Every curve, every edge contributes to high-speed aerodynamics. This side view is the poster you wish was real, until now. Built to conquer, engineered to thrill, now here comes a beast within. Under the fairing beats a 998 cubic centimeters inline-4 engine, refined for even more explosive delivery. With cross-blade crankshaft tech, the engine feels alive, snarling with race-proven aggression. Producing over 200 horsepower, it's a symphony of torque, responsiveness, and high revving glory. Yamaha's ride-by-wire throttle and updated electronics package make every twist of the wrist feel intuitive and savage. Cooling is optimized, weight is reduced, and power is unleashed. This isn't just an engine, it's a launch system. Every ride, a heart-pounding leap into the fast lane of life. The digital TFT display greets you like the cockpit of a space machine. Fully customizable and ultra-bright, it puts all critical data right where you need it. Speed, gear position, lean angle, lap time, everything is at a glance. The R1's meter includes modes for track and street, adapting to your riding style instantly. Bluetooth connectivity and GPS mapping push this dash into the future. It's more than just a speed meter. It's your mission control. With every rev, it lights up like a racing arcade dream. That was the all-new Yamaha YZF-R1 2025, where racing technology meets street dominance. If speed, design, and legacy had a baby, this would be it. Luxury riding experience, adrenaline rush guaranteed. More beasts coming your way.